All right, today we're gonna bring an LED light. These are elegant lights. If you guys can see it, it's like a pretty much like a pole, but it doesn't reflect any light in the back in the front. It actually resides in the back of the actual system, so it's gonna reflect to the wall, and then it's gonna reflect back. So it's very simple. We actually hooked it up right now as a temporary template. Right now, it comes with 2 cables, but you have to add 3. So it comes hot, neutral, and of course they give you a screw inside the actual base where it's going to be grounded. Right now, on this part right here in particular, they do give you 2 screws that mount on the side of it, and in the bag of the setup, of the first setup, because there's 2 of them, they give you another screw just in case you lose one. All right, so it's very simple. You just pretty much set it up on one end here, and that's it. Mount it to the wall, you're set. So right now we're going to turn it on and see how it looks. All right, so here we are. We're just setting it up so you guys can see it. But look at this. And what I'm talking about, it reflects in the bottom. If you guys can see the light, move this a little bit to the side here, and it's reflecting. So any shiny object or any shiny wall that you have, or maybe you have a solution, it's going to reflect back. Or right now we're on actually wood, but we're going to set it up outside so you guys can see both of them, how they work. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the lights itself. All right, the lights are really bright. They shine up the area, so you can have 2 of these side by side, looking beautiful, giving all the shininess. I have 1 door here. I don't have another power station, but I'm going to put 2 lights in the future. Put another power station in there and make sure it lights up. So looking beautiful, very simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.